If you have ringing in your ears, you could be at high risk. Breaking research showed that 98% of tinnitus sufferers have a common brain nutrient deficiency. And every day that your brain is deficient in this nutrient, more brain cells become damaged and die. This damage is what actually causes tinnitus, and is why tinnitus sufferers often end up developing brain disorders, such as dementia and amnesia. And if you want to prevent these brain disorders and actually silence tinnitus, you need to reverse the damage caused to your brain cells. Luckily, there's one simple fix to reverse the damage that actually completely silences tinnitus. It doesn't involve any meditation or sticking anything up your ears. It's just a simple 10-second brain hack that was actually developed by NASA. And it's so powerful that it had a 100% efficiency rate in a recent study. So it's no wonder greedy pharma companies don't want you to know about this. They're already trying to censor this information, and it's banned in certain states for being too effective. Thousands of people who thought they would never get relief from tinnitus are finally experiencing silence.
It's been 5 months now, and I'm completely suppressed. I have no more tinnitus.
There's no ringing in my ears. There's no pain in my head. I feel comfortable. I feel energetic. I feel youthful again.
I said to my partner Amanda, my tinnitus has gone. I'm not hearing it. Fantastic. You know, this was on the first day.
So I urge you to stop everything you're doing and watch a short free special video that in the first 3 minutes explains how this NASA brain hack can silence your tinnitus and restore your brain power. Click the link below before it's too late.